Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are at Lakewood Estate project of Unimark Group. This project is located in Patuli, Kolkata. A metro station is being constructed over there by the name of Subhas. This is a complete residential locality. And friends, this way is leading to Patuli. A very big advantage to this project is that it is just 100 meters away from Subhas metro station. So friends, this is the project, and there are approx 450 flats in 6 towers amidst of sprawling green campus designed to let you breathe free. There are 6 high-rise towers. 2 towers are of G+12 and 4 towers are of G+18, and the project will be offering approx 450 apartments on more than 2.5 acres of land. You can see the project is under construction and the possession will be available in 2 phases. Phase 1 will be available by December 2018 and Phase 2 by December 2021. This project offers 2 and 3 BHK apartments ranging from 865 to 1419 square feet. The project has a bliss of amenities like swimming pool, high-tech gymnasium, jacuzzi, open spaces and parks, outdoor sports facilities, multiple kids area, open-air theatre, indoor sports facilities, spa, indoor children's play area, landscaped gardens, community hall, mini movie theatre and a lot more. So we are showing you the sample flat of this project, and this is the 3 BHK flat of Lakewood Estate. This is the living and dining area with a balcony attached to it. Here comes the kitchen area. And this is the small utility area. This is the first bedroom of 3 BHK flat. And here is the common washroom. Now we are moving towards the second bedroom, and it is also called master bedroom. As you can see, it is very spacious and it's having an attached washroom also. And here is the third bedroom of the flat. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.